before. Today, March 29, 2024. This is the windows after. So basically, I'm doing recycle. This is a refrigerator window. So you see right there, and the handle right there. So I did a window. So is what I did today. So very much this window will be in the kitchen while you are washing the dishes. The sink will be right here, and then you can see the panoramic. See? And the other window will be right here in this frame. So anyways, so that is my progress from today. From different perspective. Beautiful, right? And the sunset is about to come. Wow, so beautiful. Amazing sunset. Friday, March 29, 2024.